क्रिकेट का सीज़न अभी जो है एक तरह से देखा जाए ऑस्ट्रेलिया का टूर ख़त्म हो चुका है। बाकी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी है, लेकिन मुझे फुर्सत मिली है और आपको पता ही है सारे लोगों को, मुझे पढ़ने का शौक़ है, लिखने का शौक़ है। और ये किताब जो है गली गली, आदित्य अय्यर ऑथर हैं, यंग ऑथर हैं, और इनके साथ हमने वर्ल्ड कप कवर किया, काफ़ी क्रिकेट काफ़ी कवर किए हैं। और इस किताब को मैंने पूरी तरह से पढ़ा नहीं, प्रोसेस में हूँ, लेकिन आज आदित्य अय्यर का इवेंट था यहाँ पर दिल्ली में, ग्रेटर कैलाश में, और मैं वहाँ पर आया। और सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है जो इन्होंने किस्से बताए, और ये किताब अपने आप में डिफरेंट है, अनोखी है। वो इसलिए क्योंकि इंडिया में जनरली जब भी हम लोग किताब लिखते हैं, हमने भी लिखी है, क्रिकेटर्स पे लिखते हैं, सेलिब्रिटीज़ पे लिखते हैं, लेकिन ये आपकी किताब है, ये आपके किस्से हैं, आपकी कहानियाँ, एक आम फैन। और चूंकि हमारा चैनल, जब मैं कहता हूँ कि द फैंस रिपोर्टर, इट्स वेरी अप्रोप्रिएट कि भाई फैंस के राइटर, अगर फैंस के रिपोर्टर के साथ फैंस के राइटर के साथ बैठा। आदित्य, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर
Thank you, sir.
योर टाइम। Just wanted to know first thing, how does this idea came? World Cup की बात हो रही है. You have spoken about the journey of 2023 World Cup, fantastic World Cup. But your story is centered around, if I may use, some people might take the offense, ordinary fans.
Correct. And ordinary is actually extraordinary in this country. Firstly, thank you for having me, Vimal bhai. I've been, it means a lot to me, and I've been meaning to have this book discussed on your beautiful channel. So thank you for having me. सिर्फ वो इतना young नहीं हूँ मैं.
नहीं नहीं, आप young हो, हमारे तो
But the concept of this book came about because मुझे हमेशा इस देश के बारे में लिखना था, और ये देश जो आप जानते हो, आप इतने बड़े क्रिकेट रिपोर्टर हैं, ये this country is made up of lots of other countries put together. We're so unique, and in our culture, and so divided, and vast, and east to west, north to south. What is one of the very few things that unifies this country? इसको जुड़ाता क्या है? It's cricket. It's not even cinema, because that gets regional. There is a team representing India that gets everybody together. So my idea was to tell the story of the country. And I thought, why not do it when the World Cup is, being hosted by India, the big trophy, the 50 over World Cup, and use it to tell the story of different cultures, different people, different voices on the periphery of cricket, and how they all come together to support this one team.
Okay. तो एक चीज़ मैं आपसे सवाल पूछना चाहूँगा। पेंगुइन से ये पब्लिश बुक है, और आपको बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है पेंगुइन के बारे में। आदित्य जो है इंडियन एक्सप्रेस जैसे अखबार के साथ काम कर चुके हैं, ओपन मैगजीन है, उसके लिए लिखते हैं रेगुलरली। 500 रुपीज़ की ये किताब, अगर आपसे मैं शॉर्ट में पूछूं कि मैं 500 रुपये क्यों खर्च करूं इस किताब में, ऐसा क्या खास है एज ए राइटर, आप अगर ब्रीफली बता सकें।
It's a story about you, the fan. It is about what you go through when you want to support the team. I have captured all your trials and tribulations. In a big country like India, it's already difficult to travel and watch matches. Even as we watch matches, we get lathied and we get stripped of our dignity, and they take our coins away. But we are the people, you are the people who make this game in this country. And I wanted to capture that in each state, in each city. It's like one of those olden day circuses, Vimal bhai, where the circus would go from town to town, and big lights come on, and it attracts the natives. Everyone comes and they watch the match, they watch the circus, they watch the animals, and the jokers and the clowns and all the craziness. And then the lights, the big strobe lights go off, and the circus is over. It's gone to the next town, and it attracts new people. That's essentially what this book is about. As Rohit Sharma's team went from all the way from sunny Chennai all the way to very cold, icy Dharamshala and east and west, all the different people, you and I, that it attracted. The story is about us, and through us, I tell the story of cricket, and through cricket, I tell the story of this country.
आदित्य, एक चीज़ मुझे बताइए कि आपने ये स्टोरी लिखी, आपने फैंस के ट्रायल्स एंड ट्रिब्यूलेशंस की बात की है। आप कई बार आप इस बुक को लिखने के दौरान समटाइम डिड यू वंडर लाउड कि यार इंडिया में कोई क्रिकेट फैंस एसोसिएशन क्यों नहीं है जिस तरह से उनको ट्रीट किया जाता है? डिड यू एवर इमेजिन, एंड इज इट समथिंग यू वुड सजेस्ट टू सम ऑफ द पैशनेट फैंस कि यार कुछ ऐसा करो कि सब बोले कि हाँ यार ये एक ताकत है, कि यूनिटी है, कोई फॉरम नहीं है उनका?
I completely agree with you, Vimal bhai, but the only problem there is it might go down the route of Indian fandom where you have Rohit factions and Virat factions. The same way with the union to stand up for the fans, there will be so many different splinters. It may not actually come together in the way we expect it to, but we absolutely need one. The way there is in the US and the UK, and which keeps the prices down and allows more people to watch. It doesn't happen, and unfortunately that makes life much harder for the fans to watch cricket in India, especially during a big event. And their struggles, our struggles, is what I wanted to capture, just to turn the lens towards us for a second, because we are the people who make this game in this country. Why isn't football as big? Why isn't tennis as big? Cricket's big because those cricketers, that team, has got the numbers. We will watch that match regardless of what we are put through before we have to watch that match. We will get there and we'll watch it.
My last two questions, Aditya. A, the second last one, that in India we often say that India में पैशन है क्रिकेट का, बट लोग क्रिकेट फैंस नहीं, क्रिकेटर्स के फैन हैं. हाउ ट्रू इज़ दैट? आपने इतना पूरा इस बुक को लिखा, इतने 1000 लोगों से मिले, इज दैट ट्रू? और कैसे आप इसको डिफाइन करेंगे?
I agree with you, Vimal bhai. It has certainly gone down that route. We have seen all these nameless, faceless people like us, but we want to stand out, and we touched upon the Rohit and Virat fan groups that are always warring on Twitter. Who are these people? These people are us, right? So these are the same people. They want to have a voice. They want to show that we're a more passionate fan than other people, and these are the same fellows. Unfortunately, when a match is going on, you will see them run down till the boundary rope if Virat Kohli has come to field over there, either like long off or long on, as he does like during the death overs. So passion for individuals is very, very high, but I think slowly there are more people who will eventually like the sport for itself, because now and I don't need to tell you, Vimal bhai, what you saw in Australia right now, right, with these factions, it's not doing Indian cricket a lot of good. I mean, do you think it does?
No, I don't think so. But my final question, Aditya. A, like in India, every fan, they just want to touch Rohit Sharma or Virat Kohli or Jasprit Bumrah. And that's obviously not possible, even for the best of the people, even for journalists like us,
Yes.
who have certain privilege, access.
Correct.
We are not even able to say a lot of cricketers hi or shake hands with them. So, what will you tell to those fans who come to the ground thinking that we will meet a Rohit or Virat, or maybe take a selfie, and that is not possible? A, and how different is Indian fan in India and Indian fan outside India, those living outside and supporting the team?
Firstly, Vimal bhai, I wouldn't put you amongst us. You very easily have access to them. You're a fantastic journalist. All I would say is enjoy the sport for the sport, right? These players are extraordinary human beings because they have a certain skill set that they're extraordinary at. When they leave the cricket field, they are like you and me. They're exactly us, maybe living richer lives. So to want to touch them or want to be around them or want to get an autograph from them, that doesn't lend anything to your life. Enjoy them for what they do best.
Lovely thoughts.
Which is on the cricket field, they're extraordinary people. Off the cricket field, they're human beings like you and me, right? So enjoy them for their art, enjoy them for their skill set, and you will just be in for a disappointment if you want to be around them after that, because they kind of move in different circles, is what I would say.
थैंक यू सो मच आदित्य. और आदित्य ने जो बात सबसे लास्ट में कही, सबसे खूबसूरत बात कही है कि भाई आप विराट के फ़ैन हो या रोहित के फ़ैन हैं, ये ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप उनसे हाथ मिलाएं या फ़ोटो खिंचाएं, उससे कुछ चीज़ नहीं बदलेगी. आप क्रिकेट को प्यार करते हैं और इस दौरान इन खिलाड़ियों से, हीरो से आपको मौका मिलता है बात करने का, मिलने का, बहुत अच्छी बात है. नहीं भी होता, आपका प्यार जो है क्रिकेट से खबर है, और इसी प्यार की पहचान है एक तरह से देखा जाए. तस्वीर है इसमें. आप लोगों से मैं रिकमेंड, आप जानते हैं ये पहली बार हो रहा है मेरे चैनल पे जब मैं किसी बुक के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, और ये जो स्टार्ट हमने किया आदित्य अय्यर के बुक से, हम पूरे इस साल बात करेंगे अलग किताब, क्रिकेट के लिटरेचर की बात करेंगे. ये एक एस्पेक्ट है जिसको मैंने छुआ नहीं अपने चैनल पे, बट रेगुलरली बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं. तो थैंक यू सो मच आदित्य फॉर योर टाइम.
थैंक यू वेरी मच विमल भाई.
एक बिगिनिंग है. एंड आई रिकमेंड एवरीवन, जो लोग हैं, आप लोग अपने कमेंट, जो लोग किताब पढ़ेंगे, किताब पढ़ने के बाद कमेंट कीजिएगा. और हम कोशिश करेंगे एक दिन आदित्य के साथ इधर हम इनको ऑनलाइन लाएंगे या ऑफलाइन लाएंगे, इनके साथ सेशन एक बार दोबारा करेंगे जहाँ पर सवाल आपके होंगे, जवाब इनके होंगे. Thank you so much.
Please buy not just this book but books on cricket. Keep the art form going. You know, encourage cricket writers like Vimal Bhai and me, and you will do us a massive favor. Thank you very
so
much.
much, Aditya, and
Thank you,
wish you
sir.
all the best. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.